Alright, you know, first game as Overhaul since I got him, right? I did play yesterday with the free tickets.
Don't touch me.
It's pretty great. I'm not playing fucking ranked yet. I'm not I'm not yet comfortable playing with Overhaul like that. But with the new skill-based matchmaking they added, right? The quote-unquote new one. I guess, you know, I could go, but like teammates are still very, very unpredictable.
Alright.
And I'd rather not throw.
An item. We should grab it.
Not this early, at least. They're gonna hit an ace again. Shoot. So far, overall, you know, bro's pretty dope. He's not too busted, and he's not too trash, right? He's what we call the perfect character. Now, he doesn't have mobility, which does suck. And that kind of might fuck him up. Especially with fucking fighting those few characters that just fly around, right? Or cementally. That's gonna be very unfortunate for bro. Frog. This look, bro.
This is bad. This is bad.
Give me the rainbow card. Where's the frog? I did.
Back off.
Anyways, I'm pretty sure you guys got this. There we go. You know, I do see people saying they should upgrade your gamma, right? But I don't really like playing like that. I would rather get the little spikes off, right, and then do the gamma, right? But that's just a preference, because I don't like the whole stun and blaze type of thing, right? You see that? I can't even capitalize off the little stun. Hey there, Overhaul.
You won't withstand this.
What the fuck? Wait, can you deflect these?
You are an insect. Out of my
Down for now. Is that an enemy?
Alright, self-heal. I used it, I can't even bitch slap him away. Sucks to suck.
I want to be big. I'm so down and all. It's still like
Too weak.
Shit, boys. That was not a good display. Alright, now we join the fight and we win. Missed by like an inch.
It ends here. Out of my sight. You're worthless. Move it. No mercy. Dirty rat. Time is over. Get off. Give up.
I hit him.
You're finished. You're done. Yourself open. You're worthless.
Come on, Dobby.
Take your last breath.
Wait, hold up. I get super armor with that? Or like partial super armor?
It ends here. Dirty rat. Try dodging this.
You know, I would heal you, Mountain Lady, but I do not trust you at all.
No
to like not die.
You're done for.
Everyone sounds like this is a safe area. Run!
Cook him alive! Cook him alive!
You're worthless.
Oh, it was her. Bro doesn't have the HP for it. I tried, bro. I tried, bro.
Is that an enemy?
Recovery complete. All set.
This is a serious situation. Where's backup? Sorry, my mistake.
I want to touch you.
I'm down.
Bro, what the fuck? Anyways, good fuck. Oh nah, oh nah, bro. I'm about to make this shit anime canon. Of course. Am I getting hit from behind? Guys.
This place seems dangerous. This is a serious situation. Where's backup?
Okay, the heals.
Out of my sight. You're done. You are an insect.
You're a disease, Dobby. You're a disease. Disease that needs to be cleaned, wiped, assimilated.
Sophie.
Yeah, beat her ass, beat her ass. Do it, beat her ass, bro. Teammate. Oh, see now I regret.
I will end you.
Oh shit, that hit me. That hit me.
Enough. I'm getting trampled.
Too weak. Yeah,
No.
sure.
No, bro. Please, let me live.
What a surprise.
Let me live, buddy. Let me live, buddy. Please, please, just 7 more seconds. I guess we could say I threw by saving the Mount Lady instead of leaving it to me.
Yeah, sure. What a surprise.
Regret. A lot of regret. But we didn't do that bad. 4 kills, 5,000 damage, you know. But like my second game is overall not bad. Not bad. Truly a good character. I'm not going to lie here. My teammates are new players, you know. Especially the Mount Lady. She's very new. She's level 2. Mario's level 22. I'm not expecting to win again. But I do love that super armor. It is kind of cool. It is cool as fuck. Nah, stay away from me. I didn't fell on purpose. And I fell even farther now. This is funny. Oh shit. Super armor.
What a nuisance.
Ooh. My aim is trash. I'm stuck. Alright, I guess I'm on my own. Or this might be a short
Safe area.
short gameplay thing. These dudes aren't gonna help me.
Alright.
Actually, no, I think I could curse. These motherfuckers ain't gonna help me at all.
Filthy.
Oh wait, Overhaul gets little onomatopoeia things. That's cool.
Stay back. Level up.
I don't have a bitch slap yet.
Back off.
Took you long enough.
Sophie.
They're under enemy attack.
We're being attacked. Yikes.
Weakling. Just try it. What a nuisance.
Okay, and they caught him. And she did get caught.
Putrid. Too weak.
Of course, I don't get the get off me treatment because I'm using it to heal myself.
It's over.
She can eat through that? Since when?
Struggling. All together.
Don't fuck. Ah, that's right. I only get one until I.
Just try it. I will not hold back. Impossible.
Ouch! I couldn't even get the thing to get off me, bro. Cool. Mario, buddy. That's 3, no? I didn't even see him.
What a nuisance. Let's go.
Yo, auto combo's ass, Bakugo.
Same time.
Let's not forget your auto combo's like fucking trash. Like you ain't beating anybody else in a melee off.
Take this.
You finally.
Take this.
I think it's better for you to just take the melee damage and try to fight us. Oh god.
Back off.
Just out of range, it's crazy.
I will not hold back.
Bakugo, I would love to.
You can't win.
My range is just not that.
All together. Get over here. This.
Do they have a baby Deku with them? Is that it?
He's in the safe area. Quit slacking.
Not ready. Same time. Try it. Hit me. Weakling. Take this. Get over here. What a nuisance. Watch it.
Back up, bitch.
What a nuisance. Pitiful.
Oh, you're not even blue. You're red. Are you?
Out of my sight.
I'm going to die. Yeah, fuck, Bakugo, you ain't shit, buddy. Please, for the love of God, Bakugo, stay away from me, bro. You brought them here, you idiot. Guys, if your teammate's down and you're in a bad situation, just let them stay, bro. Nobody's messing around with them. Just let them stay. Nobody's gonna mess with them. But the moment somebody is around there, they're gonna bat an eye, and then your teammate's gonna get you killed. Cause these idiots just go like, yeah, I see him. Oh, what's that? A down person? Let me take advantage of this random idiot that's down. That's just, I don't know, bro. Like, teammates. Sometimes I think this teammates just like to throw. That's just it.
I hear you. I'll take over here.
You won't withstand this. Hey. Same time. Take this. Take this. All together.
You're under enemy attack.
Putrid.
I wrecked you. Next.
Not ready yet. So be it. Get over here. This. What a... Out of my sight. You won't withstand this.
Some of our friends aren't in the safe area.
Take this. not strong enough. Even harder! Fighting spirit!
Level up. All right.
You've all been waiting for it! A tiny box appeared!
Get down. It ends here! Enough! Take this! That's it! You're done! Here goes! Dirty rat! Stay out of my way! Putrid! Take this! Weakling! Now there! You're done! This is great! You're finished! Ow! Let's go! Get down. Look here. This is it! Take this! Dirty! It ends here! What a nuisance.
Nobody's in the safe area. Quit slacking.
You're done. Dirty rat! Weakling. I will have to hell. Out of my sight.
Sorry. I got pissed off.
I will not hold back. Dirty rat! It pops. I will not hold back. Move! You're done.
The safe area has Squidward! The support
I'll take you down.
Nobody's in the safe area. Better hurry.
Out of my sight. You're done for. Nice try. He goes. Ow! Out of my sight. What a nuisance. I will end you. I wreck you! Next! Enough. Dirty rat! You won't withstand it. Ow! Ow! This is... Sophie! It pops!
The safe area has Squidward! This report brought to you by Present Mic!
All set.
Stay out of my way! Gross. Weakling.
Half the teams are out!
It's no use.
Now that's really beat out!
Won't touch me. Move. It ends here. Done.
The safe area moves!
Take
If you swallowed up,
Take
you're
this.
not careful!
Your leg. That all you've got. Out of my sight. You won't withstand this. I wreck you.
Three teams
It pops.
out with the battle unfold!
You're done. Stay out of my way.
Nobody's in the safe area. Quit slacking. This is where I'm headed.
Like this. I'll heal you. Thanks for that.
Dirty rat! Move it! Get over here! Won't touch me! It pops! Out of my sight! Playtime is over! here! Move!
Sorry, I got pissed off.
Out of my sight!
I will not hold back. What a nuisance.
Take this! Take this! This is it! Ow! You're finished! Plus chaos.
2 teams left. Who left up?
So you... It ends here! You'll die in vain! Serious? Seriously? Gotta go
I don't want to touch you.
You're done! You won't withstand this!
I will not hold back.
Dirty rat! You're finished! That all you've got?
Much better.
You're done for.
The safe area has changed. I'll hit you up when it's gonna move again.
Take you down! Out of my sight! Stay out of my way!
The safe area moves in 30 seconds. I repeat, 30 seconds.
I don't want to touch you.
Take you down! You won't withstand this! Don't touch me! You're done! Time is over! Putrid! Enough! This! Out of my sight! Stay out of my way! Sophie! You're done for! Time is over! Get lost! Get over here! Weakling! Someone revive me! I won't quit! It ends here! Dirty rat!
What are you lying around for?
Hey, so you...
I lost? This is so weak.
Too weak.
Out of my sight! Dirty rat!
The safe area has moved. This report brought to you by Present Mike.
About time.
Not gonna... Ow!
Heyo! The safe area changes in 30 seconds. Be a good hero and hustle.
All set. In good health now.
Out of my sight!
About time. All set.
I warned you. That all you...
About time.
Plus chaos. You're finished! Stay out of my way. Wanted to take your last breath. Not ready. Get lost! Out of my sight! I'll create a path!
What a nuisance.
A round of applause to the fighter wiping the floor with their blows.
I won't break! I am overwhelmingly superior.